Yes! Look at that beast. Woohoo! Good morning, everybody. It's pretty early. It's about 6:35. We're about to hit this local lake. It's been raining a ton here in Georgia, so we're dodging rain. Probably gonna get rained on in a few hours, so we're gonna catch as many fish as we can until that happens. In the meantime, come along with us. The canoe is packed out. We got 4 rods, mostly throwing top water. We're gonna have the swim bait. We're gonna have a swim jig, and then we're gonna have a wacky worm. Might change that up a little bit, but that's what we're starting with. Let's see what happens. This grass. Let's just see what happens with that. Gotta work on those touchdowns, man. Still splashing pretty hard. All right, gotta get a fish in the boat. Gotta get our hands on a fish. You'd think that wouldn't be such a hard thing to do. All right, hands on a fish. Ah, there was something right there. I just spooked out of there. Hard to say if it was a bass or not, but I definitely spooked the fish out of there. All right, Mucho Frogo. Gonna get a fish on the board. Come on now. Fairly certain I have a white. There he is. There he is. Don't you come off there. I got a good hook in you, buddy. Come on, get in the boat. Get in the boat. Yes. Yes, we got a fish. All right. Oh, easy girl. Easy girl. All right. Fish number 1. Fish number 1, beautiful dark green Larry the largemouth. Worked hard for that fish, y'all. See you later, buddy. I can collect myself. That came on the 6th Sense Hush Frog. I was getting ready to swap that out for something in a different color because it's been a hard morning to get a bite. But that's 1 fish on the board. We missed one on the frog earlier, and then we had like a really short strike right at the boat on a swim jig. But so far we got 1 fish. Let's try to get some more. Top water might be the way, but we'll see what happens. Back to the handy dandy wacky worm. It's been about 30 minutes since that last fish. See if we can't figure out another bite here. Come on now. Come on now, fish. I know y'all are back here. Sure would be nice to catch a couple more fish. Rocket launch one way back here. Watch, I'll catch one now and it's gonna be horrible. I mean, it's not gonna be horrible that I catch one, it's gonna be horrible getting it out of that mess. Come on, base. Come on, base. Hey. Ah. I mean, it probably wasn't even a bass, man. Something hit it right as it touched the water. But it's questionable if it was even a bass. All right, just for funsies, because I feel like this could be the place a big bass hangs out. He just ain't wanting nothing else. I got one. Oh my God. First cast. Oh, it's a big fish. Don't you come off, baby. Don't you come off, baby. Get in the boat. Oh my God. First cast, baby. First cast. Yes. Look at that beast. Woohoo. All right, y'all. I had the glide bait tied on from the other day still, where we caught the 6.5er, walking the bank. And then I've been kind of just playing around with it today. The bite's been real slow. But that was the first cast in under that waterfall, and man, what a beast. Honestly, I'm lucky I caught that fish. The drag was set too loose, and I couldn't hardly keep tension on her. But she choked up on that first treble hook, and yeah, we landed her. Yes! What a way to get fired up. I had pitched through there with several different lures. Let me get her unhooked real quick. There we go. All right, rejuvenated. Solid fish on the Chad, y'all. I really just threw that in there on a whim, and she got it the first bite. Yes! Woohoo! We're gonna get a quick weight on this fish, and then we're gonna get her back in the water. Got 473. Oh, I'm sorry, 373. Almost 4-pounder on the Chad under the waterfall, y'all. Big, healthy green bass. Woo-hoo-hoo. Thank you for playing, girl. We'll get the release. Bye-bye. All right, back on me. That's fish number 2 for the morning. The first one came on a frog. It's been really a struggle to get a bite all day, but I'll take what I can get. First one was probably 1.5 pounds-ish. That one was almost 370, so 370, 1.5 pounds, 470. I'm probably around 5.5, maybe 6 pounds for 2 fish. 6 is probably a push, probably 5.5. Anyway, it's overcast. We're working on it, man. We've been swapping lures through a couple different swim jigs. Finally got a second bite on the Chad. That lure is really starting to grow on me. To be such a big lure, it really draws in the bite. So I'm working on figuring that out, and we're just gonna keep trying to catch fish. See y'all with another one. I could get it put right where I want it. Ah! Dang. Couldn't get a hook in him. But maybe switching to the white frog was the right move. I mean, I felt him for a second. Felt him for a second. Maybe he will hit the wacky. I don't know. It's doubtful. I fought him for a second. All right, outdoorsmen, just got the canoe back on the trailer. Only ended up with 2 fish today. I missed two or 3 fish, but landed 2, and the second one really counted. So, you know, that's how it goes. Didn't have a high numbers day, but it was still a good day. It's always a good day when we get out and go fishing. So y'all go try it. If it's overcast, throw some top water. Seems to always work for me. Leave it better than you found it, and we'll see y'all on the next one.